welcome to our channel, Not a Handyman. Today I'm going to be giving a review for a product that I am going to be testing for the first time, and it's called Bounce. We all know what Bounce is. It's the laundry detergent, and it comes with and they have a lot of other products. This is another product that they have, and it's actually called Rapid Touch Up, and it's a 3-in-1 everyday clothing spray which releases your wrinkles. So I am very lazy to do ironing at home for my clothes, so I just like it. Even though I put it on a wrinkle-free setting in my dryer, it still comes out with wrinkles, and I don't like to iron them as much. I'm a mom of 3, so with 3 kids it's really difficult, so I thought, why not, I should just try a spray which can release the wrinkles from the clothes that I'm wearing and the shirts that my husband wears to work. So here I'm gonna do this test here. This shirt came out of the dryer, and you can see it's pretty it has some wrinkles, and you can wear it like this. So what you need to do is, it's just a 3-step you have to do. You have to spray, tug and smooth with hands, hang or lay flat. So let's try. So I'm just gonna hold the can upright 6 to 8 inches away from the fabric, and I'm gonna start from the collar. So you have to spray it until it kind of gets a little damp. So I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna do just the one side for now. And I also wanna do the center. So here they have asked us to kind of lay it out flat and kind of fix it. So here I'm just gonna button this up, and so all I'm doing is just, because it's wet, I'm pressing it down just a little bit. And if I'm on the go, if let's say in the early morning I have to go to work or something, I'll just do my spraying and start doing my hair or my makeup, and see how this side is coming out pretty cool. Wow. So I only did the half side of the shirt, and you can see right now that the wrinkles are going pretty quickly, pretty fast. And all I'm doing is just using my hands. And I'm just gonna do the back side, of course, of the sleeve. And all I'm doing is just using my hands, and that's it. And I'm gonna let it dry. So as you can see, this side of the shirt looks pretty neat than the other side, because I didn't spray that side yet. So I just did this part. Now let's look at the closer look of the bottom creases. So things like that. I haven't sprayed this part yet. This is pretty dry. So I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna hold it. And I'm gonna let it dry. Now, as you can see, I did this. I sprayed this part. It was very wrinkly. It was folded, and now it looks much better, except for this. I'm just gonna do a little more spray here. And all I'm using is just with the help of my hand. This is what the result looked like. Oops. So now you see, the one half of my shirt looks pretty nice and wrinkle-free. The other half still has wrinkles in it because I never sprayed it on. You can see the difference. Now the collars are the most important things. So here is my collar, and I can just... Now this shirt is actually a cotton shirt, or maybe it's polyester, but it's like a normal shirt, that like the regular material that everybody wears to work. and I'm pretty happy with the results. As you can see, the two sides, one side is pretty much going wrinkle free than the other, and if you let it dry, it's just gonna come out this way. And I think I'm really liking this product. This is going to be my BFF for the next few years, I believe, until the better version comes out in this, and I'm still happy with that. So here's the product. It's called Bounce 3-in-1 Wrinkle Release Spray, and it's pretty easy to use. I got 2 of these bottles from Amazon, and the 2 bottles cost me like about $13.97, so about $14 for 2 bottles, and not bad. And if you are a person who do a lot of laundry and don't like too much ironing clothes, this product is for you. So try it and give us your comments and feedback. Let us know if you like it or not. And this is not a paid advertising or anything. I'm just doing it for you guys, just to just to solve problems, making it easier for you. And please subscribe our channel, like our video, and give us your comments. And thank you for watching Not a Handyman.